OneCNC CAD CAM Made easy. In this example, let's take a look at how we can use part geometry to determine the depth of cut when performing a pocket or profile operation. Let's start with pocketing. Let's head over to the Command Manager, select Stock Toolpaths, and from there, select High Speed Pocketing. I'm just going to left-click this pocket and then right-hand mouse click. After I've specified the tooling parameters, I can click Next. And here for Final Z, notice there's an option called Pick Z. If I use this option, if I select Pick Z, the menu disappears, and now I can select any vertice at the bottom of that pocket, and OneCNC will extrapolate that depth and place it within the parameter. I can now click Next, fill out whatever parameters I need to, and then finally click Finish to generate the toolpath. Let's do that again on another pocket that has a different depth. We're going to go back into pocketing. Again, I'm going to select the pocket, right-hand mouse click. I'm going to say the tooling parameters look great. We'll click Next on that. Again, I'm going to use Pick Z. Menu disappears. I'm going to select that vertice with the left click. And once I've done that, OneCNC extrapolates that depth and places it within the parameter. Let's click Next, 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 and Finished, and let OneCNC generate the toolpath. Now, this powerful feature is also available within the profile operations. Let's select Mill Profile Basic. I'm going to select this geometry, right-hand mouse click. Again, we're going to specify our tooling parameters. We'll click Next, and again, we have an option called Pick Z. I'm going to select Pick Z. Take my cursor, left-click that vertice. OneCNC extrapolates that depth, places the value within the parameter, and now I can simply ensure my other parameters are correct and finally click Finish to generate the toolpath. OneCNC CAD CAM made easy. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.